Good morning, everyone. Today we start our next topic. Continue in basic ICT skill. Perform basic computer operations. In earlier session, we already discussed what is a hardware, what is a software, and different tools of a hardware. Now continue with the next topic. One is the first question arises: what is a utility software or a program? A utility program is used to perform maintenance work on a computer. In a your computer system, different type of a maintenance work that is done by the utility program, or we just say that on a component of a computer system. May if different type of a computer component, that to be also maintenance work done by the utility program. What type of a maintenance work done by the utility software? Now come to the next question arise. Identify the different utility softwares done by the computer system. One is the software is the antivirus software, one is the file management tool, one is compression, one is the like disk management tool. These are the different type of a utility software that to be work maintenance in your system. First one we discuss antivirus. I know everyone know what is antivirus. Helps to detect and remove the virus in your computer system. If any type of virus in your computer system, we install first antivirus that to be maintain different type of virus to be detect and remove from your computer, and then work to be organized properly, and then speedily work in by the computer done properly. Now the next is the file management tool. File management helps in storing, searching, and sorting files and folders on a system. This work done by the file management help in storing, searching, and sorted files and folders on the system. This is also is a one tool inside the system, that is a utility software, that is a utility program done these type of a task. And one is the software utility software compression. If sometimes you have a large storage capacity file, to be a change or a convert in a less storage space, we are using different type of a compression software. Online we also use, and if you want to install in your computer system, that is also work as a maintain your file and folders. Now I read out in detail. Help in compression of a large file so that they will take less storage space. That's why we use a compression utility programs. Now next is the fourth one, disk management tool. Disk management tool has the different type of tools that to be maintain your hard disk, secondary storage memory, disk cleaner, disk defragmenter, and backup. If you do a work properly in your computer system, you need to be a disk to be maintained and scan and clean up day by day, accordingly weekly, monthly, and after 15 days according to your work. That's why your computer to be do work properly and then speedily. Otherwise, if any type of a large or temporary files inside the computer, that store unnecessary memory and slow down your computer speed. That's why we use a disk management tool. One is the one tool is the disk cleaner, also disk defragmenter, and then backup. Day by day use these tasks regularly. These are the different type of a utility software done the different type of a task to maintain your computer system. Okay, now next question come to the what do you mean by the language processor? Language processor, what is the language processor? That everyone know, computer doesn't know your language English, Hindi, any type of language you are using, but if you write down that type of a language in your computer system, that is called the high level language. But computer doesn't know that language, that only know the binary language or a digital language. Now that task to be performed by the language processor means the translator program that is used to convert source program, means your high level language written in high level language to machine code is called the language processor. means जो आप लिख रहे हैं that is your source program, source language that to be convert into the machine language by with the help of a language processor. Okay, language processor, what task to be performed? Translate program, it convert the source program high level language change to the machine language that with the help of a language processor. Now what are the type of a language processor? I just complete in a detail explain to you, but if sometimes you write only the name of the language processor, you just write down the name of the language processor. You already done or know about these language processor in class 8th, already discussed in class 8th. Assembler, compiler and interpreter. Third one is the interpreter. Now in detail we have discussed what the task done by the assembler. It is a program that translate an assembly language program into machine language. Means first of all you write your language in a English language, but what does it will be do by the assembler? Assembler change your translate your assembly language program into machine language. Okay, means assembly language are the some ASCII codes, different type of codes. It will be a translate first in assembly language, then into the machine language. Now what does done by the compiler? What do by the compiler? Compiler is also translator program that translate high level language program into machine language. Means your language to be convert high level language convert to the machine language, but assembler change your language in the assembly language. Okay, now next point we have discussed the third part, that is the interpreter. What does by the work done by the interpreter? Interpreter also is a translator program that translate high language to into machine language program line by line, but compiler compile your complete program high level language to machine language. Means complete program you write down in any program language that to be a compile at once complete program to be a translate from high level language into machine language, but interpreter check line by line and translate high level language to a machine language. That is only a different interpreter, compiler and assembly language. These are the different three types of a language processor. I hope ki you all are understand ki what are the language processor and what the task performed by the interpreter, compiler and assembly language. Now assembler. Now come to the name of the simple questions are name of the antivirus software install your computer. There are so many antivirus. I just write down here Norton antivirus and McAfee antivirus. There are the so many antivirus. If you use in your computer, you write down those name also, and then find out from the net they are the different type of antivirus you install in your computer. Now the next simple question arise the name of file management tools. What are the different file management tool? With the help of we use disk management, disk space to be maintained, and sometimes to be a data to be scanned that easily with the help of these file management tool. One is the Window Explorer, one is the Firefox. These are work offline. These are when you are working with your computer, most probably we are using a Window Explorer. Thank you so much girls. You have to be read out these points, and if any query ask me in your class, online class. Thank you so much.